friends, the time is here, the moment all of you have been waiting for. Tonight, the Plymouth Dealers of America proudly present the world premiere of the great new 59 Plymouth.
You are traveling now into the world of tomorrow, the world of the future, where before you stands the symbol of the future, the symbol of Plymouth for 1959.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Plymouth for 1959. Here is a car for the driving age of tomorrow, alive with the newness and spirit of the future. If it's new, Plymouth got it. New distinctive rear sport deck styling. New dramatic front-end personality, set off by dashing twin-set headlights. New flaring fin design in perfect harmony with the sweeping length and lowness of the future. And inside, new exciting luxury in Plymouth swivel seats that swing you out when you leave, swing you in when you enter. And a new fingertip control instrument panel featuring push-button control of instantaneous heat and ventilation. Here in every fine detail is a car that proudly boasts everything new for the future. New electronic mirror, new magic eye automatic headlight dimmer, and a new standard for performance in the spectacular Golden Commando V8. Biggest engine in the low-price field. All yours to prove if it's new, Plymouth's got it. The most exciting new car of the year. In style, in engineering, in performance and luxury, here is a car alive with the spirit of the future. See your Plymouth dealer tomorrow and drive Plymouth for 1959.
Thank you, folks. Thank you, Pete. Yes, folks, we're all very proud of the new 59 Plymouth. I hope you will visit the Plymouth dealers in your town tomorrow. I'm sure you'll share our excitement over this wonderful Plymouth car.